Hi everyone, in today's video I won't be doing a long UI tutorial. Instead, I will show you a design I have been working on. I did not record the process, but I want to share the result with you. But more importantly, I want to talk about the three stages of using any product. Using a product is not just a task, it's an entire experience journey. The first stage is before use. Imagine you are invited a wedding. Before you even get there, you are already thinking about the delicious food and how much you are going to eat. This creates an expectation. Similarly, every user comes to a digital product with a certain expectation before they even open it. The second stage is while use. Now you are at the wedding, eating food. It's not just about the taste, it's about the environment, your mood, and your emotion. This stage is mix of taste, emotion, and feeling. In design, this is how the user feel while they are actually interacting with your app. Finally, there's after use. You are back home now. You start thinking, was the food was good? Would I go again if I invited? This creates the final experience. If the after experience is bad, user usually won't return to the product. This is why the memory we leave behind is so crucial. That's it for today's quick UX lesson. I hope this helps you look at the products differently. Please keep me in your prayers so I can bring you an even better UI design video tomorrow. See you in the next one.